Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Genshin Impact Store not loading in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, it may be likely due to app glitches. For that, head over to settings, head over to apps, tap on see all apps, head over to search and then search for Genshin Impact. In the search bar, simply tap on Genshin Impact, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Genshin Impact, and then what you can do is head over to your recent apps, force close Genshin Impact and reopen the app. If that does not work, sometimes a quick update may help. Simply head over to Play Store, head over to the search bar and then search for Genshin Impact in the search bar and update it to the latest version. If this does not work, use this only as a last resort, but what you can do is head over to your app drawer, search for Genshin Impact, long press on it, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. But Genshin Impact does have a large file, so do not use this unless you have no other options. One more thing that you can try and do before that is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.